QR codes can be useful, but when they arrive in email, they can also be a serious security risk. In a recent incident, an employee received an email that appeared legitimate and included a QR code to access a document. They scanned the QR code with their phone and signed in on the page that appeared, unaware it was a fake login screen controlled by an attacker. Within minutes, our monitoring systems detected suspicious sign-ins from a different location. This indicated that the attacker had captured the user's credentials and was attempting to access their mailbox. The security team acted quickly. Sessions were revoked, the password and multi-factor authentication were reset, and the mailbox was checked for any unauthorized rules or changes. The account was contained, but only after the risk had already been created. This incident highlights 3 important rules. Do not scan QR codes from emails or unexpected messages. Do not trust any login page opened from a QR code without verifying it. If something looks unusual, contact Impress Computers at 936-931-7977 or ticket at impresscomputers.com before proceeding. A moment of caution before scanning a QR code can prevent an account compromise. Think before you scan and help keep your organization secure.